Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 50 and we are going to learn colors. How many colors? Let's count. So for each line we'll do one color. Like this is the first line. So for this I'll use one color. This is the second line. So for this I'll use different color. So how many lines are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 lines. So we'll use how many colors? 5 colors. So what are they? Let's select. So first I'll use red color, yellow color, green color, blue color and purple color. So how many colors? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so let's start. So first I'll take red color and we'll write the first line. Okay, so this is number 1. This is number 1. Okay, this one is number 2. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. This one is number 5. This is number 6. This one is number 7. This is number 8. This is number 9. And this one is number 10. Okay. So here we have completed from number 1 to number 10. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And these all are in red color. Okay. Next I'll choose green color and write the second line. This is the first line and this is the second line. Let's write 1, 1, 11. This is number 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. So here we have completed our numbers from 11 to 20 in green color. Let's count once again. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19 and 2, 0, 20. So now we'll take some other color. So I'll take yellow color for the third line. This is the first line, second line, and this one is the third line. So we'll write from here. So this is 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30. So here we have completed our numbers from 21 to 30 in yellow color. Let's count once again. 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, and 3, 0, 30. Very good. Now we'll write the fourth line with blue color. This is blue color. Okay. So we'll start writing from here. So this is the fourth line. Okay. So here it is 3, 1, 31. This is 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3, 9, 39, 4, 0, 40. So here we have completed our fourth line from 31 to 40 with blue color. Okay, so let's repeat once again. This one is 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3, 9, 39, and 4, 0, 40. Okay, and finally I'll take purple color to write the last line. This is the fifth line also. Okay, this is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. So this is number 4 and this one is number 1. So 41. 41. This is 4 and this is 2. 42. This is number 4 and this is 3. So 43. This is number 4 and this is also number 4. So 44. This is number 4 and this one is number 5. 45. This is number 4 and this is number 6. So 46. This is number 4 and and this one is number 7, 47. This is number 4 and this is number 8, 48. This is number 4 and this one is number 9, so 49. And finally this is number 5 and this one is number 0, so 50. So here we have completed our numbers from 41 to 50 with purple color. Let's repeat once again. 41 41, 42 42, 43 43, 44 44, 45 45, 46 46, 47 47, 48 48, 49 49 and 50 50. So let's repeat from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 and 50. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.